polypropylene and cotton. Braided with polypropylene clear thin threads and cotton blend threads. Wrinkle resistant. Under light, the clear wiring is a little shiny or glittery. 15-inch across. Large enough for any plate or bowl. Protect and dress up your tables. Fit rectangular, round and oval tables. Fit almost any kitchen or dining room decoration. Set of 6. Folded in half for easier transportation. Steam iron on low heat setting if there is any fold line. Main color is beige color, light brown tan color, a few white threads woven in. Easy to clean. Wipe clean with damp cloth. Hand wash in cold soap water and air dry. Use Shackus round placemats for birthdays, Christmas, housewarming, holiday, parties, family gatherings, weddings, showers, and more. Great for everyday use inside or outside. Amazing value. Set of 6 restaurant quality high-grade porcelain dinner plates, 10.5 inches. Lead and cadmium free. Our porcelain is harder and more durable than others available in the market, therefore it can sustain heavy usage either at home or commercial establishments such as restaurants, bars, bistros, and hotels. These plates are stackable and don't require a lot of space in your cupboard. Color is pure white, so is versatile to any occasion, whether as casual or formal. Plus, it matches all types of decor at your kitchen and can be a nice add-on to your dinnerware set. Can be used to serve all sorts of meal. Comes breakfast, lunch or dinner. Shock resistant. Microwave, dishwasher and oven friendly. Amuse Home will offer a free replacement or refund if anything goes wrong with the product during shipping. Packed with extra protection with exclusive mail order box. Unique modern design. These pillow covers have a designer look and feel. Will stands out in the mix. Fantastic quality will absolutely exceed your expectations. A textile fabric with an interesting and tribal design. Pairs well with Moroccan, ethnic, retro and shabby chic style decors. Choose only classic black and off-white, using weaving, tufting, tassels craftsmanship, warm and comfortable perfect decoration. This Morocco throw pillow cover has various usages: pillow indoor, bolster for any body part, sleeping, watching TV, in bed reading. Perfect for decorating your room in a simple and fashion way. Is a perfect gift for a mom, wife, friend, bride, or newlywed couple. This vintage-style liquid soap dispenser complements your home, kitchen and bath decor, whether shabby chic, farmhouse, industrial loft or ultra-modern. UV protection. Amber brown colored glass provides ultraviolet protection, especially important for aromatherapy, essential oils and herbal treatments to preserve beneficial effects. Also for liquid soap, dish soap, lotion, aromatherapy essential oil blends, shampoo. Fun soap, a brown glass vase, great decoration for your home. Size: 3.7 inches, 8.7 inches, 2.5 inches, as picture shows. Simple floral container, perfect for bouquet fresh flower arrangements, branch roses, orchids. Beautiful decoration for kitchen, living room, office, restaurant, dining room table centerpiece. Gift idea for Christmas, Thanksgiving, wedding, housewarming, holiday, Mother's Day, birthday, anniversary. High quality. Our product is 100% no worried money back in quality. Any quality problems, please feel free to contact us. We will do our best to satisfy you. Package included. 1 vase only. Flowers no included. Woven with natural material. Baskets may come in green or brown color accents when fresh materials are used. They turn yellow natural over time. Basket. Bring nature into your living room. If you are looking for an eco-friendly, handcrafted and natural seagrass basket for plants that will tie the whole room together, you should look no further. The Axizo Boho basket is exactly what you need. Flower. Spoil your plants with a chic pot cover. Our large seagrass indoor planter is the ideal plant pot cover for your fiddle leaf fig tree, aloe vera, dracaena, spider plant or erica palm. The 10.6-inch mouth opening will fit almost all indoor pots. Branch with leaves. Impress your friends and guests. Make all your guests go wow with your elegant, decorative seagrass storage basket, which will add another dimension to your rustic or farmhouse decor. Conveniently use. You can use it in Christmas party, bedroom, indoor or outdoor. Flickering flame technology creates the illusion of real flames. Using 3 high-grade AA batteries can provide more than 150 hours of continuous ambience. Clean and no mess. The candle can be used in bedrooms, lounges, dens, bathrooms, and so on. Absolutely no mess. No dripping wax. No matches. Easy and convenient operation. You can turn it on and off using the remote control. At the same time, our products are designed with timed function. After 5 hours of lighting, the candles are automatically turned off for 19 hours. The timer will cycle every 24 hours. Packing list 3 LED flameless moving candle. Diameter is 7.5 centimeters. The height is 10 centimeters, 12.5 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 1 remote control. That's all, folks. Just want to remind you that links for these products are in the description box. Be safe, and I'll see you next video. Ciao!